To understand how to live your life with more passion and enthusiasm and gusto is not difficult. As part of this understanding, you need to know how well your complex digestive system is working. And good news, we can help. We want you to know that at Gusto to Go, our #1 goal and passion is to help you live a full life of enthusiasm and gusto. Understanding how your body works makes this goal much easier to achieve. I'll give you a quick example. Take your kidneys. If you understand how to read and interpret the color of your pee, then you can understand if you're drinking enough to stay properly hydrated. It's simple and fast. There's much to learn about how healthy and well you really are by merely observing your body correctly. Obviously, if your digestive system is regular and you feel okay, then chances are that you are reasonably healthy and good. But regularity and your feelings don't really give you all the information you should have. But first, some quick facts about our Gusto to Go beverage enhancer. First, it's easy to pack Gusto to Go for your daily travels, both at home running around and your travels to distant places. Simply remove 1 packet of Gusto from the box and carry it with you. Tip: if traveling, discard the box and put the packets of Gusto in your shoes. They weigh practically nothing and will take up virtually no precious room in your luggage or purse. Adding Gusto to Go to your beverage is easy. Just pinch the packet below the top and tear it open across the packet. Form a spout with your finger and carefully pour it into any water or tea you'll drink anytime during the day. Our mild ginger pear natural flavor makes 8 to 12 ounces of water or tea taste great and begins to do something that matters. Let the wonder begin. Secondly, know that being consistent pays off. Soon you'll experience an improved state of wellness as your digestive system returns to balance. Gusto to Go begins working immediately. Even so, it takes time for Gusto to achieve its full potential for you. As with most medications and solutions, you may not feel an immediate response. Did your current unbalanced digestive system happen overnight? Probably not. In all likelihood, it took days for you to get where you are. These things take time. It will likely take a few days to return your digestive system back to balance. Be patient and give Gusto 7 to 10 days to rebalance your entire digestive system. That's a big job. Thirdly, make taking Gusto a daily ritual. It's quite easy because you're going to be drinking something each day. Turn that drink into one that matters by adding Gusto anytime, any place you are. Why is that important? Each of us desires more natural energy and a strong immune system in order to be the person we want to be, so that we can live our lives with enthusiasm and passion-filled gusto. And a part of getting there is by resolving those nagging symptoms that make us so uncomfortable, weak, tired, and unfocused. It's true. You can now drink your way to wellness. By the way, see our short follow-up video for some simple techniques to help you understand just how well your body is performing on the inside. This is vitally important. And this next video makes it quite easy. I promise you'll be surprised what you learn. Click here to watch it. Thanks and best wishes.